So now I'm going to show you how you can create a thank you page, the page people will go to after they opt into your list. And we're also going to upload a freebie. This is something you offer to your subscribers for free. So after they subscribe to your list, they will get the download from the thank you download page. So I just moved the freebie into this folder just before recording the video. You can see on the left side, it's in my temp folder, and I named it free ebook.zip. It's just an example. This is not an actual ebook. So now what we'll do is we'll log into my Filezilla account using the drop down arrow because I don't need to fill in the password again. And we're going to just simply drag and drop the ebook to the right. So let me log in. And as you can see, this is where all my website files are on the right. Okay, so let me go to my folder for landing page. And just before starting the video, I deleted the HTML, so let me drag it and drop here. And now the free ebook. Okay, great. Now I'm just going to rename it so people wouldn't guess the ebook location. Even though they need to know the name of the ebook, I'm just going to put in some random numbers. And the actual download file, the zip file directory, will be my public HTML. So in this case, it's demo182.pl.ee / landing page / free ebook 126357. So this is the URL. So this is the direct link for my freebie. And if people go to this link right now, then they'll be able to download the ebook. Okay. You don't need to go to my website and try. By the time you're watching it, I will probably delete it. So let's test it. Open my browser, and as you can see, it's showing up. It's offering the download. I'm not going to show the whole window, but anyway, let me close this. So now we're going to create a simple download page for that download file. It's a simple thank you page that will have a link to the download file. Now let me go to my composer, to my squeeze page that we already created, and I'll just delete all that. Delete all that. Cool. And we'll write welcome to your downloads. Click on the link below to access the free report. Okay. Now let's make it click on the link below to download your free report. Okay. Let's make this, let's make it bold. Center it, make it slightly larger. Oh no, it's too much. Okay, and we can make it any color we want, red. You already know how to use Composer. It's simple. Now let me type it. Download your product name. Download your product name for free. No. Yeah. So now I insert. We'll go to link, select it all, and we'll make it a hyperlink straight to the download file. Remember? the free ebook 12635.zip. Okay. No, we'll make it in a new window. Okay. It's gray for some reason, we'll make it blue. Okay, cool. I just don't want to have the arrow hyperlink, so let me make it regular text. Oh wait, this is not a hyperlink anymore. Or is it? Let's see. Let's make it download free product name. Your free ebook. Now we'll go to browse, see what it looks like, save. And obviously, as you can see, this page is supposed to have some images. And the reason why it's not displaying images is because they're not in the same directory. So as I said, if your landing page, the landing page spec that you got, each landing page has some files, images, CSS, index, the HTML file, and you need to make sure that, even if you edit in Composer, make sure you edit the landing page with the images in the same folder where the index HTML file that you're editing in Composer is. I don't know how much sense it makes what I just said, but you don't just want to, if you have your whole landing page and all the files saved in one folder on your local hard drive, let's say you drag and drop just the index file that you're going to edit in Composer to your desktop, and you try to edit it, it will not show the images because it will look for the same folder where the index file is located, which is in my case it's user/desktop. So if the images for the landing page are not in the desktop, are not in that same directory, then it will not show up. Once you'll start using it, you'll understand what I mean. If you don't know how to use it. Oh, for now we can just delete the footer, the header. We don't need any of that because there's no images anyway. Now we'll go to, wait, let's center it. No, it doesn't let me. So we'll have to do it separately. Center, select all that, or just put some spacing. And then you can insert an image here, whatever you want. You just click the image tab and you can have maybe your product, your freebie, what you're giving away, your product e-cover or anything you want. And then just click browse, choose where it's located on your computer, and then click open. Okay. Let me center this and let me go to browse again. I just customized it. And now you click on download free. Wait, it's not a hyperlink anymore. Okay, I'm sorry if I confuse you, but we'll need to go back to the text editor and make this a hyperlink. So we'll go back to my notepad where I copied the link. We select the part, the link, insert the address, and now just go to browse. Download free product name. Okay, now it's gray again. We need to edit it, make it blue, so it will look like a normal link. Go to browse, save again, and okay, there it is. Very simple, basic download thank you page. Now we'll click here, and guess what? You see why? Um, look at the URL. Now you see why you're not getting the download file. Why? As you can see, it's pointing. It's trying to get the file that's on my local hard drive, but it's not in there. You see it's on my user desktop, and but that file is already in my folder on my servers, right, on my website. So if right now we upload this thank you page with URL pointing to the ebook. So anyway, now we go and upload this very thank you download page to my server. Again, in this case, it's only one file, this HTML file that I'm editing in Composer. But if you make like your thank you page fancy and all this stuff, you will have to then in your, remember the my site slash landing page slash, you will have to create two different folders, because if you have images file for thank you page and images file for landing page, they may get mixed up, and then you just create separate folders. It will be slash landing page slash thank you page, and there's your index. Okay, so it will be just an extra directory. It's not complicated at all. Just keep trying until you get it, and then you'll do it in less than 1 minute. Squeeze page file name, right? And you need to make sure that it's under a different file name, and you need to try to make it similar name as your download file. Like just put some random numbers so no one will be able to guess your file directory, because if they access this, if they guess where this thank you page is located, then they will get the free download and they will not subscribe to you. Now let's go to Filezilla. Okay, so I just saved the landing page. Right click, hit right click, refresh, and there it is. Still on my local hard drive. I'm doing all this to speed up the process, so it wouldn't take too much of your time. So there it is, and now we simply drag and drop it to my server. Okay, cool. So here's what you need to do now. In your autoresponder code, when you're creating a web form, if you want to make this thank you page that we just created, you need to make sure that you specify as a thank you page, custom thank you page, and it will be direct link to your HTML website thank you page. So it will be domain name. In my case, it's demo182.bl.ee slash landing page slash thank you 12635.html. This is the website they will go to after people opt into your list, and from there they will click the hyperlink and get the download. Also make sure that you don't forget to update your autoresponder code after you change it to the custom thank you page. Now let me test it and go directly to the thank you page, and you'll see that it's already uploaded and it's live on my website. Let's copy and paste the URL. Okay, and there it is. There's my simple thank you page. Now as we click on the link, we'll get the download. That everything is working. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. I hope it wasn't too confusing. And just go and try to create your thank you page. Be creative, include some graphics. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the landing pages pack.